Today I am going to show you how to use WordPress for free without paying any money. So first I clarify the content of the video. We don't need to install any software or any WordPress manually in our PC. We use the web WordPress for this tutorial. So the next one is we don't need to buy a domain in Freenom website and ask the domain in hosting. So these things we did not do in this video. So this video is for those who needs to use the WordPress with full features for free and learn the WordPress, and after they will buy a hosting and customize their website. So if you are a brother or need to or wish to buy a hosting means, then watch this video fully to know how to use the WordPress free without paying any money and learn the WordPress settings fully, and after you buy a hosting and install the WordPress software. So these are the content we are going to see in this video. So let's start this video by now.
Welcome to Switch to Knowledge.
So first we need a email address. So you can use your own email address, but now I am using a temporary mail for this tutorial purpose. So the mail is loading. So let's copy this mail and let us go to a website of ByteHost. So why I am choosing this website is this website is ad free and this website is fast, and you can see the more features of the website. So this website gives 1000 MB to use. So let us sign up for the website. So add any name which you write. So the password, so the email address, and register. Just refresh this page. Then we go to see and the mailbox. Just refresh the mail. Let us wait for some time. The mail will come. Yes, the mail came. So by clicking the link, you are creating your account. Yes, our account is created. So please make a note of these details. These are required to log into your account. So first we go to our control panel. So this is the control panel. So the username is given here and the password is the password you given during your login registration. So just give agree. They will send some important mails to your email address. So the cPanel is loaded. So you can also learn what are the things available in the cPanel without paying any money. So but we are going to deal with the software installer. There are many softwares available, like you can see in the sidebar. There are many things available, but we are going to see the WordPress for now. So install WordPress. So this is the latest version, and your website address and the names. So this is the password. So you can give a name like admin. So make a theme to your website by selecting any theme. So install the WordPress. Yes, we now install the WordPress. So we can visit our website. So this is the theme we applied during installation. So to log into your WordPress, you can use your website name /wp-admin. By this method you can log into your WordPress. Yes, this is your WordPress dashboard. Yes, you can see many options: appearance, plugins, user tools, settings. All these are free. You can also add many plugins, like search any plugin, the famous plugin you know. Yes, the Rankman theme. Everything you are do, you can write post, everything. Learn the full WordPress by this method. So that is the main purpose of the video. You can learn full WordPress. So when you log out your cPanel, how to log into your cPanel? So that is simple. This is the URL. So click the URL and enter the username and your password. That is we use in the registration. So that password you need to enter. So there are also MySQL and FTP username, password, many things available. But cPanel learn all is main important. So you can also learn these things. So how to log into your WordPress means that is simple though. First enter your website name and /wp-admin, and after you will go to the login page. So enter the email address you used and the password. When we install the WordPress, you can see your password, or you can made any passwords during installation. Enter that password in that area and you'll go to your WordPress dashboard. So by this method you can use the WordPress without paying any money and learn the WordPress thoroughly. And after you go and purchase any hosting in any website and install the WordPress and set up your website. So that's all about this video. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, and give a thumbs up to this video, and thanks for watching this video.